How often should I shop around or review my insurance policy? You've heard the expression, the only thing that is constant is change. Think about it. How many meaningful changes have happened in your life over the last year or two? We bet more than a few. Have you gotten married, divorced? Have any children? Did you start a new or home business? What about vehicle changes, including boats, RVs, or motorcycles? Maybe you improved your home by adding a security system or a pool. Asking yourself, what has changed in my life, is a great way to assess your insurance needs. If those changes are meaningful for you, chances are it's time to talk to your trusted choice independent insurance agent. Any life changes may suggest an increase or decrease in coverage. They may also present a need for new coverages and protections. In general, a good rule of thumb is to check in with your trusted choice agent every year when your policies come up for renewal. As your agent, it's their job to work for you to get you the right coverage for your needs. Be independent. Go independent.